It is not that somebody sits down and works out some premises. This subject, this object, this predicate. It is that you. Who is that you? What is that you? What am I? This quest in a human being. Mummy, where did I come from? How do I happen to be here? This quest, this question in every mind. Unfortunately, science bifurcated from philosophy about a century and a half ago. Used to be called natural philosophy. That was the term used for science. Natural philosophy. That's the term people like Newton used. Somehow it bifurcated, but one of my lectures that I give sometimes, you can obtain a recording if you like, is science is the most beautiful spiritual poem ever written. But I'll not go into that right now. Science is the most beautiful spiritual poem ever written. It has rhythm, it has rhyme, it has intangibles, it goes beyond forms to deeper meanings of things. There is no difference between science and poetry. If you understand one, you understand the other. And meditation is the poetry of your very soul. The process that I led you through for half an hour, we went through a number of processes. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, at least 11 processes I led you through. In a systematic order. I've established a research lab in my ashram, my spiritual seat in India, in Rishikesh, where we're experimenting, seeing what effects these different methods have. And the 11 methods through which I have led you today, each one can be practiced independently on its own and can be mastered. It is not necessary that you memorize the whole process. Take anyone. Practice, practice, practice the way you practice a language. That is the way you practice music. You play the same notes over and over and over, and you master them. These 11 methods I took you through is just a brief glimpse of the vast reservoir of the knowledge of the pathways into your interior self. There are as many pathways into the interior self of consciousness as there might be hair roots in your body, and more. There are texts that have classified and categorized as many as 12.5 million different methods. 12.5 million different methods of meditation. I don't claim to have mastered all of them. Maybe I know 12.5, maybe double that amount, or maybe triple. Wherever you are, there is a pathway. This very movement of the hand has a pathway to your interior consciousness. These very eyes with which you are looking have a pathway to your interior consciousness. The very ears with which you are listening are pathways to your interior consciousness. All you have to do, for instance, right now as you are looking at me, just keep looking, keep doing, be whatever you are. Don't do anything else. Just see inside you who is doing the looking, and keep looking. Who is the one who is doing the looking through the eyes? Just observe inside you. Something shifts. Keep doing that, you will make a breakthrough. Who is doing the listening? Who is coordinating the words listened to, associated with the sights being seen at the same time? Just go into that subjective self. Who asked the question, who am I? Don't intellectualize about it, just experiment with just the state of awareness from where a tiny ripple of this thought, who am I, arises. From where did this thought arise? Who was the thinker? I'm just giving an example of all the possible pathways. There are hundreds of different ways for entering the city of Minneapolis, but you can't drive on all of them simultaneously. You can explore only one at a time. And one of them you will get used to, which seems to you the most convenient for you. Swami, is this system of meditation right, or is that system of meditation right? For a while I attended the Japanese Zen, and then I went to Vipassana, and I've been into Tibetan meditation, and I've listened to this, and I've been to your classes and meditation center. Which one is the right one? Which one is the right one?